there. Today we are going to learn how to solve linear simultaneous equations GCSE level. So, to solve a simultaneous equation, we have to remove one of the variables in the two equations. And to do this, we have to find the lowest common multiple of one of the coefficients, of two of the coefficients of the variable we want to remove. So in this case, it's 3 or 4, 3 and 4, or 3 and 2. 3 and 2. So, and then you have to subtract or add the two equations together, depending on the sign of the coefficients. So let's write it down. 2l plus 3m is equal to 13. 3l plus 4m is equal to 17. So let's try to remove m as the variable. So it has a coefficient of 3 and 4. So what's the LCM of lowest common multiple of 3 and 4? That is 12. So how do we get from 3m to 12m? You have to multiply it by 4. Therefore, you have to multiply this whole top equation by 4. And how do you get from 4m to 12m? You have to multiply by 3. Therefore, you have to multiply this whole bottom equation by 3. So 2l multiplied by 4 is 8l plus 12m is equal to 52, because this is multiplied by 4. This 3l multiplied by 3 is 9l plus 12m is equal to 51, because 17 multiplied by 3 is 51. So now we have to subtract these two equations, and you will remove this 12m, and you will get negative l is equal to 1. Therefore, l is equal to negative 1. And to find the other variable, just have to plug this value back into one of these equations. So let's pick the first equation to plug it back in. So 2 multiplied by negative 1 plus 3m is equal to 13. So this is negative 2 plus 3m is equal to 13. So 3m is equal to 15 as you add 2, and m is equal to 5. Therefore, m is equal to 5 and l is equal to negative 1. Okay, so let's continue with a more difficult question. So in this case, the variable x and y are not next to each other. So first, you have to rearrange the equation to get that. So x is equal to 2y plus 6. So to get the y with the x, you have to subtract 2y. So let's subtract 2y, negative 2y, and x. So now we need to get one of the variables with the same coefficients. So the easiest one is x, because you just have to multiply the bottom equation by 4, because the lowest common multiple of 1 and 4 is equal to 4. So let's write it down again. 3x minus 3y is equal to 34. And this all multiplied by 4 is equal to 4x minus 8y is equal to 24. So now we have to subtract these two equations, and you get negative 3 minus negative 8, which is equal or plus, no, minus negative 8, which will equal to negative 3 plus 8, which is equal to 5. Therefore, 5y is equal to 10, and y is equal to 2. So now let's plug this value back into one of these equations. Let's pick this equation, because it's the easiest to figure out what x is. So x is equal to 2 multiplied by 2 plus 6. Therefore, x is equal to 4 plus 6, and which means that x is equal to 10. So this is the answer to this simultaneous equation. Thank you for listening, and up to the next questions, which contains quadratic simultaneous equations. Thank you.